If you're in IT or planning to start, you need to learn cloud computing right now. Here's why. Halos lahat ng company lumilipat sa cloud sa sobrang taas ng demand. Any role sa cloud, isa sa pinaka-high paying sa tech. Kahit basic skills lang, napakataas ng value mo. Hindi mo kailangan maging expert kagad. Kailangan mo lang aralin ng basic ng compute, storage, networking, and security. And ginagamit mo na siya araw-araw. Netflix, YouTube, TikTok, lahat yan naka-cloud. Kung gusto mo ng future-proof career, start learning cloud today. Follow for more.